Hello students, I am going to discuss lenses chapter with you of book 8. This is my second lecture and in this one I have 3 points to discuss with you. First point is principal axis or optical axis. Alright. Now second one is principal focus. We represent it with capital F. And third point is focal length. We represent it with small f. What is principal axis? The center of the convex lens is called optical center and the center of the sphere is called center of curvature and we represent it with C. And this center of the lens is called optical center and we represent it with O. Now the distance between optical center and center of curvature is called principal axis. Similarly, the distance between optical center of the concave lens and the center of curvature is called principal axis or optical axis. So this length is called principal axis. Now before moving to next point, principal focus, I want to discuss the definition refraction with you. Refraction occurs when a light rays gets bent while traveling from one medium to another medium due to the change in the speed of light or in the direction. Okay. Now, second point I want to discuss with you, principal focus. Light rays passing through a convex lens. Here I took a convex lens and I am going to talk about light rays. Now, light rays travel in straight line. These are the light rays, and after refraction they will get bent. They are cutting principal axis and they will meet at a point and this point is called principal focus. Again, the light rays travel in straight lines. After refraction, they will meet at a point and this point is called principal focus. Alright. Now, next point was focal length. Our third point is focal length. Second point was principal focus. What is principal focus? When the light rays after refraction meet at a point, this point is called principal focus. Now second point is what is focal length? The distance between optical center and this principal axis, this distance is called focal length. Alright, and we represent focal length with small f and principal axis with capital F. Now, as the light rays after refraction converges at a point, converges mean meet at a point. That is why this convex lens is also known as converging lens. Are you clear? When the light rays after refraction converges at a point, this converging point is called principal focus. Converging mean meeting at a point. That is why this lens is also called converging lens. I hope you are clear with all these 3 points. Principal axis is the distance between optical center and center of curvature. Principal focus is when the light rays meet at a point. After refraction, this point is called principal focus. Number 3 is focal length. The distance between optical center and principal focus is called focal length. And what is another name of the convex lens? Is converging lens. Why? Because the light rays after refraction converges at a point, meet at a point. That is why this lens is also known as converging lens. I hope you are clear. Goodbye.